welcome aboard this Great Northern service to Moorgate. We will be calling at Watton Stone, Hertford North, Bayford, Cuffley, Cruise Hill, Gordon Hill, Enfield Chase, Grange Park, Winchmore Hill, Palmer's Green, Bowes Park, Alexandra Palace, Hornsey, Haringey, Finsbury Park, Drayton Park, Highbury and Islington, Essex Road, Old Street, and Moorgate.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
We will shortly be arriving at Hertford North.
If you are using Oyster or contactless payments, please be aware that these are only valid on certain routes and at specific stations. Ensure you have a valid ticket for your entire journey by checking the route maps by the entrance doors. Failure to present a valid railway ticket may result in a penalty fare of at least £100.
Well, hello and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today's video, as you can probably see, it's raining. But today's video, I'm going to have a wander around Hertford Common, see what I can find around there. I have brought the Mini 5 Pro with me, but unless the rain stops, I ain't going to be able to pull it up. So yeah, come along for the journey and see what I see. Well, I've only just arrived and there's a female goose ender. I have got a little bit of footage. It's just sat down here in the bottom of the weir. So I'll put the female goose ender up now. Well, I've just managed to get blue tit on the tree over there, and also the trees down there. I've got a couple of blue tits, and just over here I've got a mallard on that metal pole or beam or whatever you want to call it, so I shall put that up now. Well, I've just managed to get a young moorhen just sitting on the edge of the weir. So I'll put the young moorhen up now. Also got an adult behind it, so I'll put those up now. Well, I've just managed to get a coot. I'm actually hiding behind that bar at the moment. Yeah, I've got the coot there, and I've just managed to get a grey wagtail on the weir there. So, yeah, I'll put the wagtail and the coot up now. Well, I've decided to pack up for a moment, just because the rain was getting quite bad. By the time I've managed to walk from the one end of the weir to the other, I managed to go under a tunnel, put my stuff away. I've come out the other end of the tunnel. Another bloody sun's coming out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off, go and get some lunch, and then come back here, and hopefully the sun's still out. So yeah, I'm going to go and get some lunch. Well, can't seem to find many cafes around here, but I have found Costa Coffee. So I'm going to Costa Coffee, get something to eat and a coffee here in here. So yeah. Well, I decided to go for a butter cookie pecan latte and pigs in blankets toasty with mountains of cheese on top. So yeah, going to enjoy this and then get back over to the common. Well, that's me all done with my coffee and my fixing blankets, toasty. Now I'm going to head back over to Hertford Common. Well, I've now arrived back at Hertford Common, and it started to bloody rain again. So I'm going to have a wander, see what I can see. Someone did say there was a kingfisher here a couple of days back that was hanging about, but now, well today should I say, no one's seen one. I have been asking a few of the locals that walk through it daily, and no one's seen one. So I'm going to walk down here, get a bit of shelter under a tree for a bit, see if I can get out of the rain for a bit, and then we'll see what wildlife's about. Well, the rain seems to have calmed down a little bit, so we shall walk up this direction and see what we can find. Well, just managed to get a bit more footage and a few more images of the goosander in the rain. So I'm going to put that up now. There's only drizzle in the rain at the moment. Going to have a little wander. If I can't find anything else, then I'll wrap the video up. But yeah, just going to give it another 10 minutes and see what I can find. Well, it is chucking it down the rain, so I'm going to wrap the video up here, just because the weather ain't going to get any better. I did find some gold crests, but it started to chuck down, so I've just give up with that. I'm not going to go and find somewhere dry. and then go and get a train home. So, as always, please press the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.